for Jamaican Juicy Patties. Stay tuned. I'm on the quest to find the juicy beef in Bronx. I guess it's juicy patties, not juicy beef. So we parked somewhere nearby and now we're walking to find it. See over there, it's the, what is that? Bronx terminal. Oh, that's a cute little car. Mazda. It's very busy down here, as you can hear. Looks like there's a celebration in a park over there. Good question. Huh? Okay, well, the escalator is not working, so gotta do the elevator. Very good, there it is. Boogie Down Food Hall. Okay, well, the escalator didn't work, so we're here waiting on the elevator. Okay, moment of truth. It's over here. It's over here. Wow. Okay. Are you guys in line here?
Oh, no, we just waited.
Okay. guys. Juicy patties. Unbelievable. So 2 double patty with a drink, that's $11.99. Triple patty, 3 patty with a drink, $13.49. So that's not bad. And then there's, oh, 1 dozen, $49.99. Yeah. Okay guys, I really can't believe I'm in Juicy Patties right now. Can I have a bottle of water for the drink?
Anything else?
Yes. And he's gonna get a number 3. So 2 beef and 1 chicken.
Mild or spicy?
Spicy.
And for the drink?
Water.
Constant drinks, we have bigger and we have tropical rhythm, that's $1 more.
For that one, just let it be all chicken.
It's going to be a wait of 25-ish minutes.
I
Yeah,
got
that's fine.
189 and 168.
Anything else for you?
Yeah, just a question on the first double. Can it be spicy?
It's curry chicken.
Oh, it's just a curry. Okay.
Anything else?
I think that's it. Right? I think that's it.
All right, it's going to be $89.80. Cash or card?
Card.
Top when you're ready. $190 is your order number. Let me give you.
Thank you. $190.
Here you go. We'll buzz you when it's ready, okay?
Thank you. They're gonna buzz when it's ready. So it's gonna be like 25 minutes, she said. Rice and peas and cake. No. said we did not know that parking was not a big deal, so we sort of park about a half a mile away. Almost there though. Look at the graffiti. Okay, moment of truth. All I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you what we got. Okay guys, I'm about to show you. Excuse all of this because I'm in my car now, but this is what it looks like. A dozen patties, and it doesn't even look like a dozen, so let me see. Oh, 2 in each bags. Okay, there it is. Looks a little dark, but that's because I'm in the car. They look very crunchy, so yeah, I'll let you know. But I do like the box though. The box.
But I got one of those had yeast in it because I forgot that.
Okay, moment of truth, guys. This is what it looks like. Let's try it now. Well, it's a little bit on the cold side. Mine is not hot. This is cold.
You could say yes. Jamaica patty is really here. But this beef tastes like Jamaican beef patty.
Well, it does taste like juicy patty, but it does taste like juicy beef.
Keep on saying that, Mommy.
It just needed to be a little more warm.
You keep on saying that. Do it better.
But my question is to myself, actually, was the drive worth it to come down here for this?
No.
2 hours and 10 minutes from Connecticut to New York. Yeah, I would come again. It tastes just the same. It's just not hot. Not hot for my liking, but it's good. Yeah. So yeah, Juicy Beef is in America, guys, in New York, 2 hours from me. Can you believe that? So I'm grateful. Thank you to all those Juicy Beef people.
And
Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Okay guys, so I do have a different opinion. I'm like halfway, more than halfway done with my patty, and honestly the Jamaican one, it tastes better. It has a better crust. The chicken, this one, the chicken is just too mushy. I don't even know if that's a word, but yeah, you can actually taste real chicken when you're in Jamaica. But this one, no, it doesn't have all of that. And I like my crust very crunchy and crusty. This is like some yellow dough.
yeah, more like you.
Yeah, but there you go. And question, am I gonna drive back down here again for this?
No.
Well, maybe I will if I have to come here for something else, but just not this by itself. I have to have another reason to come here, not just this. But I'm still appreciative that I could actually have patty here.
Onto I-270
So
toward
big up the
Brooklyn
Jamaican them
Expressway.
who bring this come up here. Yeah man, big up yourself.